Do I need to move out for my foundation repair project to be done?
It's a really good question. So the simple answer is no, you don't need to move out on 99% of what we do. If we're gonna be removing and replacing your entire slab, then yeah, we'll have you move out because that's just a big project. But for most of the projects where we're doing piers on your foundation or we're doing crack repair, you don't need to move out. We're gonna work around you. It's actually kind of cool for lifting your house and you're inside, you can kind of feel it. It's kind of a cool thing to do. So you don't need to move out.
Yeah, like Eric said, very extensive stuff like slab replacement, removal and replacement, you'd probably want to move out, especially on a single story home. It's just going to be a lot of mess, a lot of holes in your floor, and it's going to be an extended period of time that it's going to be like that. So it's not going to be real convenient, especially if you have wife, kids, family,
dogs,
husband, dogs, whatever.
Yeah.
It's just going to be an inconvenience factor. But anything on the outside that we typically do with pier systems, you are more than welcome to stay in your home, and we actually encourage it so you don't incur additional expenses. And thank you for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.